In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word. This nifty little feature can save you a lot of time and effort, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just your own personal documents, keeping your formatting consistent is key to producing professional-looking work. First, open up your Microsoft Word file, the document where your text is housed. Once you've got that opened, you will need to find the text you want to format. For instance, let's say you have two instances of the phrase, "This is an example." One instance has an orange color and the other is black. You want both to look exactly the same. No need to worry, Format Painter is here to help with that. Now the next step involves selecting the text that you like the look of. In our case, that's the orange text. Just click and drag your cursor over this text to highlight it. This indicates to Word that this is the style you want to replicate. The magic begins when you click on the Format Painter tool. You can find this tool on the Home tab of the ribbon, typically within the Clipboard group. Its icon looks like a little paintbrush. When you click this button once, it will become activated and ready to go. Now with Format Painter turned on, find the second piece of text, the one that's still black, and drag your cursor over it. You'll see that it changes to match the formatting of the first text. Once you've finished dragging, you'll notice that the phrase, "This is an example," now looks consistent with the styling of your original orange text. It's now all nice and uniform in appearance, and that's really all there is to it. With a few simple clicks, you've seamlessly transferred the formatting from one piece of text to another. You can use this feature to copy text color, font style, font size, and even other text effects like bold and italics. Remember, if you double-click the Format Painter button, you can apply the copied formatting to different parts of your document multiple times, which is particularly handy for working on larger sections. And just like that, you're done. With this easy and, dare I say, fun tool, you can swiftly maintain a level of polish across all your documents. Keep practicing, and soon you'll wonder how you ever managed without the Format Painter in your formatting toolkit. All right, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next video.